Alibaba Cloud opens new data center. Oracle's top cloud executive leaves. Volkswagen parks itself with Microsoft. Chinese spy chips found in AWS hardware. These stories and more are coming up on this week's Lifter Cloud Roundup, October 5th, 2018. Welcome to another edition of the Lifter Cloud Roundup on lifternews.com. I'm Corey Bowling, here to guide you through some interesting changes in the cloud this week and how they impacted the Lifter Index. Alibaba Cloud has launched its second data center in India this week with a new availability zone in Mumbai. The data center comes after a push by the company towards data localization in India. It launched its first data center in the country earlier this year in January. The new dual availability zones will further enhance the level of security of Alibaba's data centers in India. General Manager of Alibaba Cloud India, Alex Lee, said in a statement, quote, "Alibaba Cloud has always empowered enterprises of all sizes to tap into opportunities in the digital age. The commencement of the second availability zone reiterates our focus on India as a key market in Alibaba Cloud's global expansion strategy." This move further strengthens Alibaba's presence in India, a country where AWS and Microsoft are also vying to make their presence known. Keep an eye on future Lifter roundups to see what moves Alibaba makes next. Just weeks after Oracle announced its top cloud executive, Thomas Kurian, was taking a temporary leave of absence, it was confirmed that he has officially left the company. The leave was officially confirmed in a filing by the company with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission stating, quote, "On September 28, 2018, Thomas Kurian informed Oracle Corporation that effective immediately, he was resigning as president of product development to pursue other opportunities." Kurian took the break following a reported conflict with Oracle's co-founder, executive chairman, and chief technology officer Larry Ellison over the direction of Oracle's platform software strategy. Reportedly, Kurian wanted to let more of Oracle's software run on public infrastructure clouds like AWS and Microsoft Azure, which Ellison apparently resisted. Kurian is an interesting free agent in the cloud industry. He led Oracle efforts to transform from the on-premises server era to the cloud era and has more than 20 years of experience under his belt at Oracle, overseeing key products and initiatives. Where will he go next? We'll keep an eye out for you. Volkswagen announced in a press release that it has chosen Microsoft as its cloud provider. Along with that, they plan to equip the 5 million cars a year they ship out with a cloud service the two companies will develop jointly using Azure as a base. Volkswagen Automated Cloud will support all of the car makers' cloud services going forward. The company plans to use the cloud to provide both entertainment and maintenance services to their customers. They also plan to build an office located near Microsoft's headquarters in Redmond and hire an additional 300 employees. Volkswagen said in a press release, quote, "In the future, Volkswagen's fleet of cars will become mobile Internet of Things hubs linked by Microsoft Azure. Specific details on what the service will actually look like have not been provided yet, though this deal represents an interesting win for Microsoft." According to a recent report by Bloomberg Businessweek citing multiple anonymous government and corporate sources, data centers run by AWS and Apple may have been subject to surveillance from the Chinese government. How? With tiny microchips installed during the equipment's manufacturing. The report also said that the chips had been the subject of a government investigation since 2015. The chips were supposedly being used to gather intellectual property and trade secrets from American companies. They may have been introduced by Supermicro, a Chinese server company that assembles machines used in the centers. However, they denied doing so. AWS has also denied the report's claims, saying, quote, "We've found no evidence to support claims of malicious chips or hardware modifications." That's all the information available so far. We will have to wait and see how this story develops. That's a wrap for this week's Cloud Roundup. Has your business made major strides using cloud? We want to hear from you. Email us at ideas@lifternews.com. We'll see you next week.